Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to make something very beautiful, a cute polka dot square. This square you can make a plenty of number of squares with the different colors like this, and then you can attach and make a that cushion cover or a blanket that can be made with this with these squares. Any kind of color, any type of yarn you can use. I am using acrylic yarn for these. Okay, so these are acrylic yarn that I am using, 4-ply acrylic yarn, and the size of these squares is it's about 5 inches, and in centimeters if I go, then this it measures to around 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters to 12 centimeters, or 5 inches by 5 inches. It's a square made with a polka dot. I named it a polka dot square. Okay, so let's not waste our time and make our polka dot square. For this, for making the square, the center part, because I am using different colors for making the circles or the dots, so I am using here a green color for making the center, and for the outer square, to converting it into a square, I am using this beige color or a light brown, light skin color. Okay, the crochet hook that I am going to use is 3.5 mm crochet hook. Right, we need a pair of scissors and tapestry needle to hide the ends, because I'll be cutting these ends. I'm going to make a cushion cover with the help of this these polka dots. I'll show you in next video, stay tuned for that. So I'm going to tell you how to attach these squares together, right? So it's a kind of seamless attaching. So let's make and let's start it making our polka dot. So first of all, take the yarn you want to make for use for the circle. So make a magic circle, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. In the magic circle I have started with chain 3, because this whole work is done with a double crochet stitch. So chain 3 is considered as your first double crochet. Okay, so this is your chain 3 in the magic circle, right? So after that, make 15 more double crochet. Chain 3 is your first double crochet, so in total there are 16 double crochet including chain 3. So 1 already done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and last 16. 16 double crochet in the circle. Now pull the yarn and close the loop. That's it. The circle is closed. On the top of chain 3, so this 1, 2 and 3, here on the top of chain 3 make a slip knot, slip stitch, so that this circle can be closed. This is round number 1. In total you have 16 double crochet in the magic circle. Round number 2, start with chain 3. This chain 3 is your first double crochet in the same space. See, in the same space where you have made a slip stitch, in the same space make one more double crochet. So in each stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. Now in the immediate next stitch again start making 2 double crochet. So in each stitch I am going to make 2 double crochet. So in round number 2 we had 16 double crochet. In round number 2 we will be having 32 double crochet. So 2 double crochet in each stitch. Always count your stitches when you finish your any of the rows, so that this your work will be always in a proper shape. So I'll meet you at the end of this row, row number 2, 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. Total stitch count should be 32. So now I'm at the end of row number 2, the last stitch, making 2 double crochet. So my total stitch count is 32. I have counted it. Slip stitch on the top of chain 3, so that is round number 2 is closed. So this is the end of round number 2. Now starting with round number 3, start with chain 3, 1 2 3. Chain 3 is your first double crochet, right? So in the next stitch, immediate next stitch, here we are going to make 2 double crochets. So this time our sequence will be 1 2 1 2 1 2. So in round number 2 we had the total stitch count 32. So in this round number 3 we will be having 48 stitch count. So our sequence is 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the second stitch. Repeat this sequence till the end. 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the second stitch, right? Okay, so finish till end. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Row number 3, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Repeat till end. So now I am at the end of row number 3. I am left with 2 stitches. So in the first second last, 1 double crochet, in the last stitch 2 double crochet. So your row should end with 2 double crochet in the end, and slip stitch on the top of chain 3, chain 1, and then cut the yarn. So this way your polka dot, this dot has been formed, circle has been formed, perfect circle. So after that we are going to convert this circle into a square. So make by giving it the color of edge. The outer color that I have used is the beige color, or the brown color that I told you. You can use black, you can use white, or your color of your choice, because I can't use black color, that won't be visible that much in the camera. So I am using this color. So I am going to attach the yarn with the help of a slip knot. Okay, I have made a slip knot, and then in the same space where I have slip stitched, I am going to attach my yarn. Now what I am going to do is, you have to take care of these stitches, because this first round will convert this circle into a square. So what we are going to do is, we are going to start with the corner, then coming to this side, and then again a corner. There should be 4 corners, right? That is why it will be a square now. So because we have to give it a pointy tail, a pointy edge, so what we are going to do is, I am going to make a treble crochet, triple crochet stitch or treble crochet stitch. For making that, because I am going to start that, so I am going to make chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4. This chain 4 represents your treble crochet stitch. Okay, so because we are working with the corner, so for corner we have to give some corner stitch space also. So for that I have to make 2 more stitches, 2 more chain stitches. So in total I have made 6 chains, right? 4 are for your treble crochet and 2 for your the space in between the corners, this one, right? So 6 chain stitches and yarn over twice, because we are going to make a treble crochet. So in the immediate next stitch, here I have attached it, and immediate next stitch is this one. Take it in the hook, in this stitch make a treble crochet, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. So yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 2 loops. So this way, this is the corner, it is the corner, it is formed. So in the same stitch where I have made this treble crochet, here I am going to make a double crochet. Okay, right? So what I did was, I started with chain 4 plus 2, that means 6 chains in total. In the next stitch, a treble crochet and a double crochet, both in the second stitch. Now in the third stitch, 1 double crochet, right? In the fourth stitch, 1 half double crochet, because now we are going to form a straight line to make it a square, right? So what I did, chain 6, that includes chain 4 for treble crochet and chain 2 for the space in between. In the next stitch, a treble crochet and a double crochet. In the next stitch, a double crochet. In the next stitch, a half double crochet. Now after that, here in next 6 stitches 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. 1 single crochet in a first stitch, single crochet in second stitch, single crochet in third stitch, single crochet in fourth stitch, single crochet in fifth stitch, and single crochet in sixth stitch. Right? Now 6 stitches, single crochet, 1 single crochet in each of the 6 stitches. Now in the next stitch make a half double crochet. Now we are reaching the next corner, right? So half double crochet, we are going to repeat the reverse of this. So half double crochet, double crochet, then double crochet and treble crochet. So 1 half double crochet I have done in this stitch. In the next stitch 1 double crochet stitch, in the next stitch 1 double crochet and a treble crochet in the same stitch. See, it has formed a straight line, right, this way. Now we are going to make the corner. For making the corner, chain 2, and then in the next stitch one treble crochet and a double crochet, both in the same stitch. Now again, after making this, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now again going to make the corner, 1 half double crochet, again in the next in 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, then a treble crochet in the same stitch, chain 2. Now in the next stitch 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, 2 3 4 5 6, right? Now in the next stitch 1 half double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet and a treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet in the next stitch and a double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch a double crochet, in the next stitch a half double crochet, in the next 6 stitches 1 single crochet, 1 in each, 2 3 4 5 6. Now I am left with 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, and the stitch where I have started make this chain 6, chain 4 for treble crochet, in the same space I am going to make 1 double crochet here, and then slip stitch on the top of on the fourth chain from the base, 1 2 3 and 4, slip stitch over here, right? See, this circle has been converted into a square, right? Now I am going to work for the last row to make it a 5 inches square. You can keep it like this much only, but I need 5 inches by 5 inches square, so I need to have one more row. If you want to increase it, you can make like this. You can increase in the similar way as I am going to make the second row for with that. You can do same rows like this only. So I have slip stitched on the in the fourth chain from the base. Now we have reached chain 2 space, that is the corner of the this square. So slip stitch in the chain 2 space. Okay, now it is just like a normal square, so we are going to make the corners. So chain 3 as your first double crochet, chain 2 as the space in between the corners. Okay, so in total I have made 5 chains, right? After making 5 chains, in the same chain 2 space I am going to make 2 more double crochets, so 1 and 2, right? And now on the top of each stitch I am going to make 1 double crochet, so 1 double crochet on the top of each of the stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. One double crochet on the top of 14 stitches, one on each. Okay, now you have ended up with the covering all the stitches. You have reached the chain 2 space in the corner. So in the corner again, in the corner inside the chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 space, right? So this will create your corner. Fine. Again make 1 double crochet on the next 14 stitches, one on each of the stitches. So 1 double crochet on each of the stitches, whether it is a single crochet stitch below or a half double crochet or a double or a treble, just make 1 double crochet on the top of each of the stitches below. Okay, so on total 14 stitches, make 1 double crochet each, and when you reach the corner, chain 2 space, in the chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, a shell to form a corner, right? So repeat this till end when you reach over here. So I'll meet you at the end of this last stitch. So when you finish the 14 stitches over here, I'll meet you at the end of row the 14th stitch, the last one, the last row, the side. Okay, so like this, cover up the square. Okay, now I have made 1 double crochet on each of the 14 stitches. Okay, now I have reached the center on the corner, sorry, where I have made chain 3 and 2 chains for the space. So 1 more double crochet in the chain 2 space over here, and then slip stitch on the 3rd chain from the base. 1, 2, 3 here, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Right, so this way your square is done. You can block it, you can use it as a polka dot tea coasters also. So hide the tails, keep a long tail with the help of a tapestry needle, hide it, because I am going to make that cushion cover with that. So I am going to attach all the squares, so this tail will be hidden inside. So I am cutting a smaller one, so this way your polka dots will be ready, right? So it's a polka dot, a circle in a square. Okay, so this I have made in different colors. So many polka dots I have made. In the next video I will be showing you how to attach both the squares for making a blanket or a cushion cover or whatever project, or a bag you can make with that also. So this is a square with a polka dot. So hope you like my video on making these beautiful and cute tea coasters, you can say, or a project with 5 by 5 inches polka dot square, right? So please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do write in the comment section how you like my videos. If you have any suggestions, your suggestions are always welcome, and lots of love to all of you. Thank you so much for loving my videos and motivating me, and always suggest me what I have to do, because this keeps me running, and I'll keep on making my videos now frequently. Okay, so thank you for watching once again. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.